In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a mini ChatGPT to Notion. Whether you're using this setup to streamline your workflow or enhance your Notion workspace with dynamic updates, it's a great way to bring AI directly into your digital organization. Let's begin by heading over to Zapier's website. You'll want to log in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the option to Create SAP. This is essentially the magic behind the scenes that will connect your ChatGPT with Notion. Next, we need to set a trigger using ChatGPT, sometimes referred to as a custom GPT. Within Zapier, select ChatGPT as your trigger app. Then you'll need to choose an event, which in this case could be something like new conversation message. Think of it as the specific action ChatGPT takes that will prompt a response. You'll be asked to connect your OpenAI account linked with your mini GPT, so ensure you're logged in and have your credentials ready. It's crucial to test this trigger to verify it captures sample message data correctly. This step ensures that everything is set up correctly before moving forward. With the trigger in place, it's time to add an action. This is where Notion comes into play. Choose Notion as your action application. The event you'll set here can be create database item or create page, depending on how you wish to organize incoming data in Notion. Now connect your Notion account to Zapier. You might be prompted to log in and authenticate access, so have your Notion credentials handy. Select the specific Notion database or page where you want the ChatGPT data to flow. Once chosen, you'll need to map the message fields from ChatGPT, like the prompt, reply, or username, to the corresponding properties in Notion. This mapping step will ensure that the data is organized in a way that makes sense for your needs. It's now time to test the Zap. This means running a test to see if the information from ChatGPT is successfully making its way into Notion. You should see the test data appear in your selected Notion page or database, confirming everything is working correctly. Lastly, go ahead and turn on your Zap. You'll find a toggle or switch to set the Zap to active. Once it's turned on, any new message handled by your mini ChatGPT will seamlessly send information over to Notion, making the integration live and functional. By following these steps, you should now have a mini ChatGPT set up and communicating efficiently with Notion. It's a fantastic way to automate tasks and store conversations or information directly in your workspace. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and let your AI do the heavy lifting.